Hello everyone, welcome back to TechShams. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone touchscreen that is not working. So let's get started. First, if you are using a screen protector or tempered glass, try removing it. A damaged or poor quality screen protector can sometimes cause touch problems. Next, if you are using a phone case, remove it and test the screen again. Some cases can affect the touch screen. Also, clean your screen with a soft microfiber cloth to remove any dust, dirt, or fingerprints. If the touch screen still is not working, try a force start. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Then release the button and let your iPhone restart. A force restart does not delete your photos, apps, or any personal data. If it doesn't work the first time, try the button combination again, and that's it. These are some easy ways to fix an iPhone touchscreen that is not working. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.